The world of technology is advancing rapidly.
And these advances are also affecting the content creation process.
For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice,
you can use this method to create content for that channel, or maybe you just want to make the content creation process faster and more impressive. This is where artificial intelligence comes in.
With the aid of artificial intelligence, you can create high quality and impressive videos without needing to use your face and voice. Methods exist to achieve this, but in this video, we focus on utilizing NeiroAI technology, a tool available in Canva. NeiroAI serves as an avatar creation tool based on artificial intelligence. NeiroAI integrates seamlessly with Canva. Thanks to Canva's user-friendly interface, you can generate professional-looking videos without requiring any coding or technical skills. First, we integrate the NeiroAI application into Canva and then create our sample video after selecting an avatar and voice. Upon logging into canva.com, a particular interface appears. An app's link is visible on the left side. We first navigate to this page. Here, we search for the NeiroAI application. If it is not readily visible, simply type NeiroAI in the search bar and press enter. An option labeled Avatars by NeiroAI should appear, featuring the slogan, "Turn your designs into videos with artificial intelligence." Clicking on this application triggers a pop-up window. We opt to create a new design. Since this is our first time using this feature, we click on Use in New Design. A prompt then asks us to select the desired workspace size. Options range from Facebook posts and covers to custom video sizes. Scrolling down reveals additional features. Will it be a presentation or an Instagram story? Multiple options exist. We select one and proceed. All options follow a similar logic. I go for a video with dimensions of 1920 by 1080. On the right side, an empty video space with those dimensions appears. On the left side, you see options for selecting your avatar. Choose the avatar that best suits your video content. I go for a female avatar and click on her, confirming the selection through an outline that appears around her. Next, we insert text. The app supports multiple languages. Navigating to the Select Language option reveals various choices, including English, Spanish, Russian, German, French, Japanese, and Turkish. We experiment with a few to gauge pronunciation before settling on one. First, we select English from the language options. Then we explore one of the 5 voice choices available, selecting the one most suitable for our audience. Let's examine their tones. The first voice option is already highlighted, so I click on Preview Speech to listen.
This audio is generated with NeiroAI technology.
Next, I click on the second voice option.
This audio is generated with NeiroAI technology.
Unlike the first, this one reads the default text instead of the text above.
This audio is generated with NeiroAI technology.
This audio is generated with NeiroAI technology.
This audio is generated with NeiroAI technology.
We decide to stick with the first option. Once we have made our choice, we click on Create Your Video. We then wait for both the audio and video to generate. After a brief wait, our video is ready. It is an 8-second clip that corresponds to the text we input. If the image appears too small, it can be enlarged by clicking on the corners. I play the video to review it and find it satisfactory.
The world of technology is advancing rapidly with each passing day, and these advancements are also affecting content creation processes.
Next, I switch to creating a video in Turkish. We don't forget to select Turkish as the language option before clicking on Create Your Video again. Once the Turkish video is generated, it is automatically layered atop the English video. To separate the videos, I click on Add Page and drag the Turkish video onto the new page. This way, the English content will play for the first 8 seconds, followed by the Turkish content for another 7.8 seconds. We play the Turkish version to review it.
Teknoloji dünyası her geçen gün hızla ilerliyor ve bu ilerlemeler içerik oluşturma süreçlerini de etkiliyor.
If you are looking to create a YouTube video in a single language, it is more efficient to prepare your text segments in advance. These can be added sequentially by clicking on the Add Page button. This approach makes it easier to size and place your videos for the best visual and auditory experience. To test the language features, I've added 3 additional languages here. Let's proceed to see how they are rendered. I've added German. Let's place it on a new page and give it a listen.
Die Welt der Technologie schreitet mit jedem Tag rasch voran und diese Fortschritte beeinflussen auch die Prozesse der Inhalterstellung.
I've done the same with French. We will listen to that as well.
Le monde de la technologie avance rapidement de jour en jour et ces avancées affectent également les processus de création de contenu.
When you create a new page and click Create, the video populates directly onto the blank page. Despite being 8-second clips, each video is ready in under a minute, sometimes even in 30 seconds. It is an impressively fast system. Finally, I've added Spanish. Let's listen to it immediately.
El mundo de la tecnología está avanzando rápidamente con cada día que pasa, y estos avances también están afectando los procesos de creación de contenido.
The artificial intelligence handles the Spanish language quite well. This feature is particularly useful for content creators who work in multiple languages. For example, you can use these multilingual capabilities in your video narrations. As you can see, when I drag this video to the side, you can also play other videos in the background while the avatar speaks. These capabilities extend beyond YouTube. They are also useful for presentations and social media posts. Canva is extremely user-friendly, and its utility is limited only by your imagination. After selecting a video, you can click on Edit Video. You will find a background remover feature. However, note that this is a paid feature. Canva offers a plethora of other features too. For instance, there is a filter section where you can apply various filters to your videos. What is the next step after your video is ready? You can save it to your computer. To do this, I click on the Share button in the top right corner and a download link appears. The system will prompt me to select a format for the download. As we are dealing with video, I go for MP4. While the free version allows for HD quality downloads, higher resolutions require a premium account. HD quality is usually sufficient, especially for YouTube videos. You also have the option to choose which pages to download. I opt to download all. By clicking the download button, the video saves to the computer. That's all for this video. In this video, we explored how to create avatars in Canva using the NeiroAI application. With technological innovations like these, anyone can produce professional quality videos for their YouTube channels or streamline the content creation process to make it faster, more efficient, and more engaging. If today's video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching.